You became a nurse to help people. But who's helping you escape that paycheck to paycheck cycle? I'm going to show you how nurses in 2025 are building real passive income without quitting their job, going back to school, or wasting time on scams. Hey, Nurse Fam! This video is for you. We're diving into 7 legit passive income ideas that nurses are using in 2025. Selling health and wellness printables. You already know how important it is for patients to stay organized with meds, appointments, and symptoms. Create simple printable trackers and upload them to Etsy or Gumroad. You make them once in Canva, and every time someone downloads one, you get paid. Real nurses are making $500 a month from just one product. Use keywords like nurse printable, patient care log, or wellness tracker to rank higher in search. Faceless YouTube channel or TikTok is another great idea. Share nursing stories, tips, or relatable experiences using AI voiceovers and stock clips. Create content like what I wish I knew before becoming a nurse, or types of patients we all know. Monetize through YouTube AdSense, affiliate links, and even sponsorships. Real creators in the nursing niche are hitting 6 figures. Take something you're good at, maybe it's IV insertion, charting tips, or nursing interview prep, and turn it into a short video course using platforms like Udemy or Skillshare. No need to be an expert speaker. Just break it down in simple terms. Upload once, get paid every time someone watches. Bonus, promote it in nursing Facebook groups or forums like Reddit. Real estate investing without owning property? Yep, that's what REITs are, real estate investment trusts. You can invest in rental properties, hospitals, even data centers with as little as $50. Platforms like Fundrise or public dividend stocks let you earn quarterly cash payouts while you're busy saving lives. Compound that over 5 to 10 years, and it's like planting money trees. Create a guide for new students or pre-nursing hopefuls. Something like how to crush nursing school without burning out. Use Google Docs and Canva to create, convert to PDF, and sell on Amazon Kindle or PayHip. Nurses are making side income while they sleep. Start a niche blog with affiliate links. You don't need to write daily, just post helpful content once or twice a month. Topics could include best nursing shoes for long shifts, managing nurse burnout, and nutrition hacks for night shift workers. Monetize your blog with ads and affiliate links from sites like Amazon. Small blogs can earn up to $2,000 a month once traffic builds. Funny shirts, coffee mugs, tote bags. Think slogans like sassy, scrubbed, and saving lives, or running on coffee and code browns. Use Printful or Redbubble to upload your designs. They handle everything like printing, shipping, and customer service. You get paid for every sale while you're on shift. That's it. 7 passive income streams you can build. Drop a comment with your job title, and I'll do a passive income guide for your profession next. Hit subscribe and tap the bell. Your financial freedom starts here. You take care of everyone else. It's time your money took care of you.